Show me bud if you ain't a coward. Take it to the head, ayy. One time to the base, give you head aches. Crack shells to the head break. When it's crunch time, I'ma clutch mine, homie. I've been hungry like a wolf. Black chain bang against my chest like whoa. $1 million mind from the west side, yo. The full moon, if we gon' get wild, yo. Stressed out, you don't wanna get too close. Stand down before we put you and all of your men down. Fire squad demo, kicking through the door. Keep firing to the clippers on the floor. Reload. Shake off the cold and light up the night. What are you waiting for? Towing the line, blind and bound. Sever the ties, holding you down. It's your time to turn it around. Cracking the code, taking your aim, taking for gold that's so far away. So fire and load, it's never too late. All that you found, all you see, circles it down on endless repeat. Starting now, you gotta believe. What are you waiting for? 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 What are you waiting for?
No. Oh, hey there, Tiberius. It's going well. I'm just gearing up a bit so I can go to the nether and grab myself some blaze rods, because then I can make an ender chest, which I can use in my turtles to give them unlimited inventory. Because right now my mining turtles can only mine for like 50 blocks before running out of space. So I gotta remedy that. Ooh, a forge. Nice. And I happen to find this nice little village that I'm gonna loot. Ooh, redstone alloy, illumination ones, infinity gears. Some gold, some apples. I can grab some bread. I don't need tallow, that's useless. How's it going for you? Do anything fun? Love to see this. Let's see if anything I don't need. Probably don't need dirt or wood. I do need coal though. Give me that coal. Then I want all of this stuff. Yeah. This is FTB Revelations, so it's like a ton of mod packs or mods. I think there's like 200 mods or something in here. So it adds a lot of stuff. I can probably just eat this XP. We should have a little bit more room. Let's just break this. Do these break? Yeah, they do. Nice. Oh, these are mini torches. I don't want that. Let's see. Light grey wool, bat wings. Did I get everything I wanted? No, here we go. White wool. Ooh. Coal for emeralds. It's a good deal, but I don't really want to waste my coal at the moment. An armorer and an arborist. Nothing. Oh my god. Get out of the way. There we go. Nothing to steal in here. Sad. Oh. Okay. Nothing here. What the hell was that? Saw something flying past me, but I didn't see what it was. Can I enter this? Ah, it's pretty useless, I think. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I think I've got not enough leather. Skeleton skulls are pretty nice. Do I have anything I don't want? Don't want that. Arrows is garbage. Let's see, anything else I don't want? I don't need the cobblestone. There we go. Let's go home. drop off some loot. I should really start cooking some of this up. The phantoms? Is it the ones that come at night, or? Oh, hello, Deborn. I didn't see you there. Welcome to the stream. Not as much coding right now. Just getting some gear up so we can start coding. Yeah, I'm using Streamlabs OBS. Yeah. The Night Phantom things. I don't think I have those. I think the game that I'm playing right now is Minecraft 1.12.2, I think. And I think they added that in like 0.14 or 0.13 or something. So I'm lucky enough to be safe. But yeah, as long as you sleep, they just disappear. You have to sleep every third night or something like that. Oh, and I get some more garbage. Yay. Let's see. Let's place some of this stuff. Yeah, as long as you get a bed, they won't bother you. Got a cool little lamp. Not sure what I'm gonna use that for, but probably something. And we can put some garbage in here. Some stuff in here. Oh, and I don't really have any need for these yet. Check the mini feed. Oh, you donated. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I'm not sure why the notifications didn't go off. Do I perhaps need to... Let's see here. I'm just gonna check here. Do I need... Yeah, the Streamlabs notification. Copy. Sorry, I have a new scene. Can I paste it in here? Yeah, sorry. Thank you so much for that donation though. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see if I can get the notification. Copy. And why paste reference? Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can hear it now if I do this. Yay! No, I've gotten one donation before that. If we look at the... I think we have a top donator down here somewhere. I can't really see it because it's so small on my screen. Yeah, Kaylee Bunny has the top donation. Sag. I really appreciate it though. Thank you so much. Cool. Okay, back to what I was doing. Let's see. I was going to the Nether to grab some stuff. And we should put away our junk. And first I need to make a glider. Yeah, I usually don't stream. I just stream our hot scrims usually, so I don't have that advanced setup yet. But maybe I'll put some more effort into it. I have been enjoying this coding stream thing. So let's see, one of these, and one of these. There we go. That should do it. Oh, and I need a flint and steel. Do I have any flint? Yeah, we do. Nice. And an iron. And we can put our turtle down. So, have you played any modded Minecraft, Deborn? And have you gotten your Minecraft up and running then, Tiberius? If you're complaining about the phantoms. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, okay. Ooh, yeah. By the way, I got the code up and running now on Bitbucket. So if you wanna take a look at it, it's available there. Do love myself some nether quartz. Wonder if they have the like exploding nether quartz thing in this pack. That always screws me over every time I go to the nether. So what I do need to do is find some places for my little I need to set up a waypoint for my what do they call it? End chest. Oh, it's a giant beehive. Oh, a magma slime island. No clue what that is. Oh, I hear a ghast somewhere. Yeah, I can't mine hardite yet. I need to upgrade my pickaxe a little bit. Let's see, how close are we to leveling? Ooh, a fair bit away. Let's see. Let's grab some. I forgot to bring any sort of like, building material, so netherrack will have to do. There we go. Now it's shooting at me from somewhere. Is it invisible or just out of my render distance? No one knows. I should have made slime boots and stuff like that before I went. That way I could have... fuck me. Top tier streaming here. Can't even stand on a little pillar. There we go. Where do you think the closest nether fortress is? Do you guys have an idea? I'm gonna zoom this way. Oh, would you look at that? I'm so good at this game. Yeah, okay. The blazes are... they're after me. There we go. Do we have a place somewhere? Yeah, it fucked right off. Okay. Oh my god, am I gonna die in the nether? We don't die in the nether. Is it just me or is it like incredibly dark? Can you guys see my Minecraft stuff? Okay. Let's just eat up. Should have made an iron axe or something. Come on. There we go. Oh my god. That dude just walked past me. And I forgot to bring the food too. Okay, well, he's going on an adventure, I guess. Nice. Place rod. Oh my god, they're fucking everywhere and I can't see shit. There we go. Yeah, okay, and I burned to death. Well, at least I burned to death at home, so. I love the home command. It's so cheesy, but I'll take it. Oh no, I didn't get enough. I thought I got 5 from these. Okay, I'm gonna be a little bit better prepared, and then we're gonna go again. Let's see. Let's go grab some alumite. Can we do that? Do they not have alumite in this pack? Obsidian. Smelting. Alloying. Dark steel. Okay, never mind then. And I need... Can I make a sharpening kit thing with obsidian? Let's see. Sharpening kit. Does this work in this pack? Okay, so we go from mining level diamond to cobalt. Let's see if this works. And store away the junk that we got. Grab some food. Yeah, it is. It's so calm and peaceful at home, and then as soon as you enter the nether, it's like death everywhere. Okay. Like fucking fire bats. Why? Who thought that was a good idea? Can I mine this? Oh my god, I can. Easy clap. Let's go grab some more cobalt then, because cobalt makes great weapons. If we can find some of this, we can get some art at least. Maybe we can make a manual sword. There's some cobalt over there, cobalt over here. grab some quartz, because quartz can be used to make your weapons sharper. Make them hurt a bit more. Oh. I hate bats so much. It is intense, the hatred I have for bats in Minecraft. They are so hard to hit. The Echo game on Steam? No. I don't think I've even heard of that. Is it the same like block-based worlds? Ooh, I see a bunch of good stuff over here. What do you say? Echo or eco? I'll have a look at it for sure. I used to play Cube World a bit when it was in like alpha. That was pretty fun. That's like voxel graphics, procedurally generated worlds, but it's like a proper RPG. So you go around leveling, killing bosses, stuff like that. Super fun. But then they actually released it and they like revamped the entire like leveling system and stuff like that, and now it seems like it's just garbage. Oh, alright, there's Tinker's Armory in this, I think, as well. Let's see, Tinkers. Armor Forge. Yeah, there we go. Armor plates. Okay, nice. That is also like super overpowered armor. That is fairly easy to get. Maybe I should get that too. Let's see, is there anything else here? I would like a bit more ardite so we can make some proper manual in armor. Lightberry. Yeah, there's also like some mods that make it so that when you mine ores in the nether, the pigmen aggro you, like randomly. Sometimes they do. And you don't really know until like there's 100 pigmen running at you, then you die. So that's always fun. See, there's so much cobalt, but no ardite anywhere. Is there a chemistry? Okay. There's a mod called Alchemistry that's in some mod packs. That is so much fun. It is you can deconstruct all the materials in the world into like its atoms, into its component parts, and you can like rebuild things from there. So you can make like compounds and molecules and stuff like that. And it is very fun. Not the most interesting content, just watching me mine a bunch. But you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Okay, it seems like I don't aggro the pigmen at least, which is good. violating the first law of Minecraft, never dig straight down. Do we see any more ardite? Oh, there's a nice big old cache of ardite. And I think there's some over here too. Nice. Come on. Oh, and our pickaxe broke. That should be enough then. Let's see here. If we look at manulin sword blades, how much is this? This is 8.72 sword, and this is 4.1, and ardite sword is 3.6. Okay, so we definitely want a manulin sword blade, and I think we want a pick. I think we want a cobalt pickhead because the mining speed is 12, while a manulin pickaxe head is 7. Yeah. So let's turn off our auto borer and put in a. There we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And let's see if we can get this up running. This is also a bit risky because you need the material that you craft the head out of to repair it. So if I ever run out of cobalt, I am shit out of luck because I can't mine more cobalt without my pickaxe. And I needed to repair it. I was looking for something. Right, iron. I'm gonna repair it. I get so easily distracted when I play Minecraft. And I keep forgetting what it is that I actually am looking for. So I just always end up like confused and wandering about. And I need to add more cobalt, I think. 2 ingots isn't enough, I believe. Or is it? It is. Okay, never mind then. We have 4 manual ingots. So let's make one of these. And then there we go. This one, that one. And let's just put this stuff back on. And replace some stuff. And I think we should be ready to go. Okay. There we go. So now this went from doing 6 damage to 10 damage. And we still have a modifier available. But I want looting on it first, before I do anything else. See if we can put some mob drops away. That's that. And I don't have enough slime to make a slime sling, so let's just go without it for now. Okay, let's see if we can grab a few more blaze rods this time. Hopefully I can be a little bit less just garbage at the game, and we should have it in the bag. Look at this mining speed compared to before. Insane. Yeah. Tinker's tools in general. Oh wait, is this... They look angry. Are they angry? Yeah, they're angry. Stop it. Okay. I think it was this way, right? Am I wrong? Yeah, I think I'm wrong. I think it's this way actually. Yeah, okay. Found my towers. Huh. Oh, energized glowstone. Did not know I could just find that floating about. Let's grab some more cobalt while we're at it. With our new fancy pickaxe. I'm not sure how we didn't get the fortress achievement before. Is he angry? No. Why is he here? Leave. Oh god, I'm gonna accidentally hit him and then I'm gonna be screwed. Okay. 2. Okay. 4. Ooh. It's just gonna be up there annoying me for the rest of time. Okay, nice. It floated down. Oh, you're playing HOTS. Nice. Are you winning? C7. I need a few more, I think. Come on. Just eat already. Oh. Yeah. The only way to get better is practice, so you're well on your way, I'd say. Come on. Spawn already. Oh, okay. I hate the fact that these guys just fly out. Ah. Let's just sit in the corner and eat a bit. Every time I see pigmen, I just I lose my mind a little bit. I'm so afraid of accidentally hitting them, and then they just wreck me. Okay, let's see. Spawn already. There we go. Oh my god. I saw my life pass before my eyes there. 12. I could use a few more. Okay, 15. Yeah, I think we're getting there. Say that's a somewhat respectable amount. Did something spawn? No, okay. Did they die? I think they died. There we go. This feels way better now that I'm a little bit more enclosed. I think I should be able to kill them a bit easier. This guy. What's he gonna do? I'll just fuck him up. Yeah, that's one of the issues with this, is that there's been so many blazes has already spawned that the spawners aren't really keen on producing anymore. Oh, as I said that, I get the max spawn amount. These walls are screwing with me though. Okay, got 20. Some red wrapping paper. Wow. Okay. Okay, I think I'll kill this one, and then I'll start heading back home. See, set home, places, slash home. Okay, nice. We got 22 blaze rods with 5 molten cores. And those can be used for so many things. Cool. But mostly just making more blaze rods. So let's just do that. Boom. 37 blaze rods. And ender chest. We want like proper modded ender storage chests, and they are obsidian, wool, chest, and blaze rods. And I think we have all that. Wool, ooh. Okay, we only need 1 wool. Obsidian, and for chests we do need a fair bit of wood, which I don't really have. Have enough now, for now though, I think. There we go. Ender pearls. Right, resources, there we go. Let's make 2 for now, and let's see how this goes. Okay, we have storage. This means we can officially start upgrading the mining code. Utilize extra dimensional storage and some chests in here. Okay. So, oh, congrats. Easy clap. I'm just gonna say that white is the default one. Yeah. Pushing is a very useful way of getting a win. I can imagine you would. Did you feel like you played well? Or did you get carried? I'm getting on, at least. I'm now officially in a place where I can start coding a bit again, I think. So what I want to do is I want to set up so that we start mining, and then after every row we've mined, I want us to check our inventory and see, is our inventory full? Oh, did not mean to place that. And if it's full, then place down our chest, dump everything into our chest, and then start mining again. So that's the plan. First step will be writing a small function. Sweet, so you're building the factory for the turtles. No, so I have the mining script. Let's see if we can. We have the tunnel mine script here. So it just digs a 3x3 area for as long as I want it to. The issue with this is though that a turtle only has 16 inventory slots. So if we have more than 16 different types of items, or more than one stack of items, then we just fill up, and whenever we mine something it just drops on the floor, so it's just wasted resources. So what I want to do is I want to say to the turtle that keep this ender chest in this inventory slot right here, number 15, and if the inventory is full, open it up. And as you can see here, if I open one, I open both. That means that if I put an item in here, the item shows up in this one as well. So I wanted to dump the inventory into this chest and then pick it back up again, because even though I broke this and picked it up, the items are still in here. So that means I have at least this big of an inventory on the turtle now, plus all these slots. And since this is up here, I can just empty this out whenever I'm still doing stuff. So I don't have to go down there, look at the turtle, and yeah, just keep going through it. And that means that I can set it up so that it's like permanently mining. So I can just tell it, dig 1,000 blocks in one direction, then go back and then move 5 blocks over and then dig another 1,000 blocks. And I can do that infinitely, as long as it has fuel, which I will also make sure that it gets. So there's the ender chests are what really makes turtles incredibly overpowered in this game, because I can set up like, let's say this entire bottom row with chests, and I can just tell it, it keeps all the fuel in here, it keeps all the blocks in here, it keeps all the torches in here, and this is for dumping your inventory or something. And then I can just tell it, go mine forever, and as long as I keep the fuel box full, it'll just keep refueling. And since it mines for me, I can separate the fuel that I need and just put it in, and I can do that automatically with pipes and stuff like that. So that's the goal for now. We're gonna oh, this is the wrong turtle. We want Zeus. There we go. Zeus is our miner. Yeah, 100%. I mean, logically speaking, turtles are garbage at like being miners in this game. They're so slow, and there's like quarries and stuff like this. These things are 1,000 times faster, and they don't like break the world. They just sit in a spot. But turtles are way more fun, so we're gonna go with turtle. The only issue is I don't have torches. After this we're gonna make a tree farm, because I'm running out of trees constantly. So we have our chests in slot 15, which means after every row we want it to, we can just tell it to empty inventory every row. We don't really care. It doesn't need to be fast, right? It'll just keep going forever. So we write the function empty inventory, and So first step of emptying the inventory is to turtle.select 15. That's where we keep the chest. And turtle.place up. So we place the chest above us. First we need to just turtle.dig up, just to make sure that it's empty above us. There we go. And then once we've placed up, we just do a for I equals 1. 15? Is that it? I have no idea how loops work in Lua. Distance -1. Let's go with 14 and just see what that does. Do end, I assume. Yeah, end. Select turtle.select. Alright, so select the current slot. So what we need to do actually is just loop through each of these rows or inventory slots, select each one, and then how do we put it into inventory? I think it's drop or something. Computercraft. I have a tree farm that does this. Fuel log. Return to the farm script. Unload and resupply. Here we go. Drop. Is that really correct? Drop. Okay, that didn't help me in the slightest. Can I get... Okay, turtle.drop up. That's what I expected. Turtle.drop up. And I assume it just drops everything in the inventory. Drops the item in the turtle selected slot above the turtle. Does it drop all of them? Doesn't take a number, so let's just assume so. Select that, drop up, and then after we've dropped everything off, we select 15 again. Copy this. Select 15, and then turtle.dig up. So we select the slot where we want the chest to go again, and we dig up. So we just grab the chest and put it in the correct slot, and then turtle.select 1. So you wanted to go back down again. And I think that's it. You know what? We can easily test it. So what's the script called again? Tunnel mine. Tunnel mine 2. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. So it digs a row. And it goes down. It places the chest. And it empties the inventory. Digging row. Okay. I found a bug. We don't want it to do -1 here. There we go. Let's just do this. There we go. And tunnel mine 2. So it's digging a row. And it's just doing nothing. And then it's placing everything, hopefully. Yeah, it is. Cool. So that should be it. Every row, it will go back down and it'll empty its inventory. Cool. So if I say tunnel mine for, let's say, 200 blocks. Oh wait, sorry. Fuck. One of the downsides. You can't cancel out. So refuel all. It has 1900 blocks. Or 1900 fuel. Let's see, refuel. Turtle.refuel. And like I mentioned, I have a refuel script already somewhere. Fuel check. Okay, that's not quite what I wanted. You know what? We will do like this. Do we have any more wood? We do. Time to make some charcoal. So I don't want to use up my actual coal because I'm going to use this to make a dank null. Gold. And this is iron. I think I can make an iron one, at least. They require glass and coal. Oh, this requires so much coal though if I'm gonna do it from that. And I don't have enough gold, I think. 3, 4, 8, 16. 20 gold, is that it? Then I might actually have enough. And does it require, it requires glass panes even, which I have a bunch of. Oh crap, right. It requires stained glass, which I don't have. This is cyan stained glass. And cyan I can actually get. If I had any lapis, which I don't. Okay, screw this. Let's do this some other time. Put everything away again. What I actually wanted was some coal. Okay. I will 100% need to make a tree farm next. There's no way I'll have enough energy to mine trees. Refuel all. Let's see. 2,600. Yeah, that's good enough. Tunnel mine. Let's go 100 blocks at least then. So that'll mine for 100 blocks forward, 3x3, so it'll mine 900 blocks approximately. And whilst it does that, we can set up a tree farm. So the problem with making a computercraft tree farm is the fact that you can't use oak saplings, because oak trees as we can see here. Can we see here? Okay, we can't see here. Oak trees at least can branch off. They don't just grow straight up. Basically every single other tree just grows straight up. But not oaks. We can, however, make a large spruce sapling one, I think. We'll need a little bit more setup. And we need another turtle. So we need gold, we need diamond, we need redstone, we need iron, and we need glass panes. Oh, we don't need iron, never mind. And we need a chest though. Okay, and we need 2 sticks. There we go. And you know what? Before we do this, we can make a stair script. Can we make a stair script? Yeah, we can make a stair script. Easy. Let's make a stair script, shall we? And to do that, first we need to place the turtle down. And we need to label set. Do we have a name for it? We have Zeus. We have Odin. Is it Ra, maybe? Is he head of the Egyptians? Not sure. Let's go with someone else. Hephaestus? Yeah, I can't spell that even slightly. Hephaestus. Oh wait, we have the Roman gods. Roman gods. The ones that were too lazy to make their own. Roman gods. Zeus. Jupiter, okay. There we go. Jupiter. The king of gods. He can be relegated to wood chopping duty. And then, like with everything else in this world, we are low on fuel. Refuel all. There we go. And so make it show up. So the way that I can actually edit the scripts outside of computer or outside of Minecraft, because normally you edit them inside using the edit command, is that when you make a script, so edit temp and you save it, it creates a new folder for it, as we can see in here. It created this temp, and we can just say new file stair Lua. So now we can delete this thing because it's useless. So to build or to dig a stair, basically want the tunnel mine script almost exactly, but with one minor change. We want to remove one dig down or one down here, because we wanted to, and we don't want it to empty inventory because it doesn't have the chests for that, and we don't want it to add torches because I don't have any torches. So we can remove that as well. There we go. So we wanted to dig a 3x3 hole, and then we wanted to, instead of going down to where it started, we wanted to go down to one step above where it started, basically. It'll be very clear as soon as we do this, I think. I'm just gonna make way for it a little bit. There we go. I wanted to start from here. So stair, 30 stairs up. Can we do that? So it digs a 3x3 hole, but instead of going down 2 steps, it goes down 1 step, and then it digs a new 3x3 hole. So it should always like leave a stair like this, if there was anything here, that is. So I already mined this area out a bit, and it was in the middle of a cavern thing. So I'm gonna have to do some post work on this stair. But as soon as it hits like solid walls, which, yeah, this was a really bad place to visualize this. Oh my god. Can I have it back actually? It's... There we go. Okay, I got it, I think. Yeah. First of all, that was absolute garbage. Okay. I want to make one more change to it, because I don't want the 2x2 like this ceiling right here. So 1, 2, 3. It'll have a ceiling right here, which is, I mean, it is technically enough, but it's so small. So now I'm doing work that should be automated. But what I want is actually, I wanted to build 2 more layers up, I think. And then I wanted to place at least a block in front of it itself, I think, or below itself every time. So let's rework this a bit. So dig and go forward. That is the basic premise. And then we dig a row. So before we do that, before we dig a row, turtle.place down. There we go. That should be enough, I think. And then when we dig a row, we want it to go down 2 again, but we wanted to do this, I think. Dig up, dig left, right. Dig up, dig left, right. Let's see. Dig up, dig left, right, up. This is the basic premise, I think, right? Dig up, dig left, right, and then move up, and then do the same again. Dig up, dig left, right, dig up. So 4. Can I use? I don't think I can. I equals 1, and then how high do we want it? So distance 4. Let's see, 4. Do end. So the thing is, we wanted to do take up and then move up. This is the basic premise, right? Take up, up, up. There we go. I think this is what we want to do. digging row, dig 4 steps up, but we can actually move this to 5 then now, because now we've removed some code duplication. And then just to make this, let's see, how do I make a local? Do I have to type local to make a variable? Yeah, I do. Okay. Local stair height equals 5. Nice. And then we do stair height, do stair height -1. Turtle dot down. Okay. Let's see if we can actually make this happen. So stair. Let's make a stair that's 5 blocks high, or 5 blocks long, I mean. 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay, but that's super easy to fix now, so I just want it 1 block shorter. But it seemed to work. Stair, and we need to give it something to build with in the first slot. Stair 5. Simple script, such a hassle. This way I don't get the full like 3x3 floor, but at least I get a block in the middle, so I have something to work on. Should probably have placed a block at the top as well. Okay, let's see how long it takes until it runs out of fuel, because I did not give it a lot of fuel. I just love watching the turtles work though, it's very fun. Mesmerizing. But to get this whole thing working a bit, I'm just gonna get some bone meal. Okay, nice. And then if we do stair 30, that should at least give me a little bit to work with. I think this means that this is the roof. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Okay. I accidentally stole its building material. No! Ah, fuck me. Okay. Yeah, right. So there's a bug with the current version of computercraft, which is if you place a block into it while it's moving, that block just disappears. There's also a way to use that to dupe items, because the same happens if you take something out while it's moving. and drop it on the floor and not into your inventory, then it loses, or then it keeps the item, but it still drops it on the floor. So if I do this, for example, I dropped this cobblestone and I picked it up. Okay. I have no idea what's going on right now. It broke. But let's see here. Oh, I think it ran out of fuel. Refuel off. Yeah. Okay. So it ran out of fuel mid procedure, so it couldn't go back down. So it just started up there, and then it couldn't go back up, so it just dug in place. But that's fine. Let's grab some of this coal here. This should be more than enough fuel. And now we even have some more cobblestone. And yeah, I think it's too late, but let's go with this. Refuel all. Place some cobblestone. I'll actually grab some of that because I need it. And then stair. Let's go another 15. 15 blocks. Should be more than that left. Right. Did I do that wrong? Yeah, I think I did. Okay, there we go. Stair. Let's go 20. There we go. Gotta start it on one level above. And I have a torch that I can use somewhere. So I can place it there, I think. Should light up a bit. And I think we're back up to where the turtle actually has roof again. So this is to stair up, but it could just be, instead of digging up, it could just dig down, and then, yeah, we have a thing. Digging row. It's not a lot of rows. Six, 7. And I said 20. Big X. Yeah, we'll find out. It'll probably be up in the air somewhere. Okay. Nice. And oh, an Enderman head. I'll take it. Okay, let's sleep a little. Let's see if we've gotten anything in our mining chest. Yeah, this guy's been chugging along. Let's see, does it still refill? $12.45.36. Oh, yeah, we got some andesite and we got some cobblestone. Nice. That means it's still going down there. And that is something that I would love to do. Set up like remote logging on my mining turtles. Oh, would you look at this? It mined some trees. There you go. Good enough. This music is Pog. Getting me hella hyped. Nice, nice, nice. So my plan here is to make a turtle that can mine 4x4 trees. I think spruce woods can grow into 4x4s. If not, I'll go find some jungle wood saplings, I guess, somewhere. Let's flatten out some terrain here. Yeah, that's what I get for building my house inside of a ravine, I guess. Some really ugly stairs. I'll live with it, I suppose. Okay, experiment time. And I planted it way too close to a wall. It'll take ages to grow. Okay. With this wall down, we should be able to get something done at least. Okay. Am I okay? Fuck me, I guess. Spruce. I'm almost certain these guys can grow into a 4x4. Okay, let's grab a few flowers while we're here. I would like a yellow one, so I can make a tank. Anyone see any yellow flowers anywhere? Ginseng root. Oh, there we go. Yellow flowers. Nice. That's all I need. Cool. But yeah, turtles are incredibly versatile. You can have them do basically anything. Flint is what I was looking for, yes. So I can repair my little hatchet. And then I guess I'll grab the rest of my bone meal and see if I can get anything to work here. Yeah, it's still digging. You love to see that. Okay, let's place some of this stuff away. Grab some of that. Okay. It is light outside. I'll just move these a bit further away from everything else, I suppose. If I have them over here, that should be plenty far away, right? Oh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay. So, digging a 4x4 tree is very simple. So, selected one. Let's make a new dig 4x4. New dig 4x4 tree. .lua. So, step one is to dig a layer, right? So we can just say function dig layer, and to dig a layer, we would just dig This assumes that we're in the layer, so we've made the first step in. Dig, turn, right, turtle dot dig, turtle dot turn, right. Let's assume we're in this block right here, the first block. Turn right, turtle dot dig, turtle dot turn left, turtle dot dig, turtle dot turtle dot turn left, turtle dot forward. Forgot about turtle dot forward here. Turtle dot forward. Turtle dot turn right. So this is a very simple way of doing it. So if we just do this, dig layer. So we say first we get to say turtle dot dig, turtle dot forward. There we go. So with this, we should dig the block in front of us, move one step forward, and then dig this block, turn around, dig this block, move here, turn around, dig this block, turn around, go back to this block, and then turn around again, so we face the same direction where we only started. And we can try that. Dig 4x4 tree. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Nice. And that is a very like programmatically simple way of doing it. But I think we can improve on this a bit. So the way that I used to do this is, instead of just doing all that digging, turning, that's a lot of like, let's just see. Set home surface slash home. We gotta sleep a bit. Home surface. And we're back up here. So instead of doing it that way, we can say, what is the basic step of digging a layer? You can just dig in a circle, right? So if we stand here, we dig forward, we move forward, we turn right, and then we do the same thing. We dig forward, we move forward, we turn right, we dig forward, we move forward, we turn right, we dig forward, we move forward, and then we turn right. And once we've done that, we've done a full circuit of the tree, and we're back exactly where we started. So if we just do that in loop instead, so we dig forward, we move forward, and then we turn right. So these three commands should be able to do everything we just did down here. So for I equals 1, and then for 4 times, I assume, then is it do? Let's see. Loops. How does one loop? Do. There we go. Do, and then end. So we can see if this does the same thing. So dig 4x4 tree. Dig 4x4 tree. Yeah, this did exactly the same thing, right? We're back where we started. And we've cut the code down a little bit, and it looks a lot cleaner, which is what's most important. The amount of code isn't that important, it's how the code looks that's actually important, to me at least. So we have dig a layer, boom, and then all we need to do is just repeat this forever, right? The question is, like, how do we know when to stop? So right now we can see that we have spruce wood in the first slot, and there's actually a way to compare a slot to what you're looking at. So compare, and I have this in a previous tree mining script. So I'll just do this. We'll prettify it a bit. So while we've compared up, we want to dig up turtle dot up, and then we want to, and we want to actually keep track of this. Blocks mined. Oh, we don't need a local. Okay. So blocks mined 0. And then whenever we move up, we say that we moved a step up. And then we dig a layer. And then we want to start by first digging a layer 2. And then for I equals 1, blocks mined, do, and turtle dot down, and then turtle dot back. There we go. So we wanted to return to the previous position. This is the basic way of doing it, I think. So we start by digging forward and moving forward. We dig a layer so that we have the first layer cleared, and then we start looping. So as long as what's in our first slot right here is the same as what's above us, then dig a layer and come back down, or dig a layer and then update how many blocks you mine. And then once we've hit leaves up there, we can just loop down for as many steps as we took up. We just take one down instead, which should bring us back to this position where it's in right now, and then we wanted to back out again. And yeah, Lua turtle dot back, exit. There we go. So now we have a full tree. And let's just try this out. And if it doesn't work, we'll just lose the turtle, because it'll just keep going up and up and up and up and up. And yeah, if it happens, it happens. We'll figure something out. So dig 4x4 tree, go. So it digs, it turns, it digs, it turns, it digs, it turns, and it goes up. And it does this for all of these things. So I primarily want this to be some sort of like charcoal production mine thing, because I need fuel for all my turtles, and currently I have none. So come on, let's go. There's one issue with this, is that some of these trees are, they're like uneven at the top, so that they have like one block sticking up. So there could be instances where we just leave a floating block. Hopefully it doesn't happen that often, and if it does, we can just add in, like, dig an extra layer before quitting. Oh, we're getting some saplings. Come on. Okay, we got lucky. The one block that we wanted it to be was that one. So, does it go back down now, is the real question. Oh yeah. Here we go, here we go. It should land and then should back one step. Boom. Are we gods at coding? Feels like it. Oh, free coal. Don't mind if I do. Okay, so we've successfully mined a tree. So we can just replant this. Do I need to break this? Seriously? Yeah, okay. Weak. And then, since we want more trees, we can just do this again. And then dig 4x4 tree. Boom, another one. And while it does this, I can just go back down and start smelting this up for fuel. have some birch. And so I mentioned that I have a computercraft script already to do a tree farm. It's something I wrote 7 years ago when I was in high school, and it's definitely usable. It requires a bit more setup because it requires you to like place a full farm of stuff. So let's see if I can make this bigger for you guys to see easier. So it requires a setup of this, like this. So you have you have 3 empty slots between each tree, and you have 3 empty slots between each row of trees. And then you place it in here, like right here, and then it just mines all of them, goes back to where it was, sleeps for a bit, and then goes back to the mining parts. So it sleeps for like 5 minutes or something. And it has like fail safes and stuff like that, so it like makes sure that it's like refueling and make sure that it's not using up more fuel than it needs, and then does stuff like this. But I want to see if I can make some new stuff, because that's what we're here for, I think. And yeah, this is on my GitHub, not my Bitbucket, so this is where I keep the old stuff. And there's basically just 3 scripts. The bunny mine, which is it digs in a mathematically optimal way to mine out every single piece of ore in the ground and not mine anything else. So it digs in the same pattern as the knight does in chess. So it digs, I can show in Minecraft actually, it's much easier to show there. So home surface. So it digs, if it digs here, then it goes 2 steps over, 2 steps forward and 1 step over, and it digs here. So then it rotates and it checks this block, this block, this block, and this block. And then it moves over and it goes here and it checks this block, this block, this block, this block, and only mines the ore. But the issue with this is that it requires a block of the same type that you don't want to mine to like blacklist something or to whitelist something. It can do either or. Ooh, this thing's done. So right now I'm just taking this stuff like semi-manually with the turtle so that I can grab some saplings so we can set up an actual farm. So this means that if we run it like this, and it keeps going like this, so it goes over here, that means it checked this, 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 and this. So all of those blocks in a perfect line like this. And then you can tell it to go mining over here instead. So it goes here, and it goes, wait, it doesn't go there. It goes here and there. So then it checks this, 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 this. So eventually it'll have checked every single block in the area for ores and only dug out the ores. So it goes down here, and then it goes up here, and then it goes down there, and it goes up here. So it like alternates going up and down. And it uses a ender chest to drop things off, and it makes sure that it only drops things off when it actually is out of space and things like that. So it's a little bit more sophisticated than the like tunnel mining script that we made before, but it's 100 lines of code compared to 16 lines of code. So yeah, the tunnel mining script is garbage. But I like the appearance of it, and it took like 10 minutes to set up, while the other script I worked on for like a week. Okay, how's the fuel situation going on in this one? 6:15. Yeah, it's decent. Can I? No, it's dark. I can't do anything when it's dark. So I still need some oak, because oak is like the default wood in Minecraft. So a lot of recipes require specifically oak wood. So the spruce wood we're gathering is mostly just for generating coal or charcoal. How's this going? Feels like it might have stopped. I really should have added in the function to just back up again, but I wanted to test it out a little bit more first. Odin is doing fuck all, but yeah, I did show you how to move it, like that I can move it around and stuff, at least, I guess. So this is my research department computer. This is for doing cool science experiments. The other ones are just workhorses, so this one gets special treatment. It just gets to sit there for now. So I'm gonna grab a bunch of this charcoal and go down to Zeus and make sure that he is happy, because Zeus is what's making us the moolah. Okay, can I glide down? Yeah, that was super slow. So this is where he is right now. Very dark. Oh, and found some children in the dark. Never a fun thing to encounter. Let's just remove this for a bit. Refuel all. 2,000. Oh, that's pretty good. Refuel all. 6,000. That's even better. Alright, let's just bring this guy back. And I will 100% probably go in here and add in torches at some point when I have the energy. Okay, so at least we know that this works. So let's just edit that in the tunnel mine script. And 0 means Zeus. So for the same distance, once we've done all of this, once we've dug completely through, turtle dot back. There we go. So now it just backs back to the entrance where it was. And that means we can send it on even longer missions. So we can say, and you know what? we actually have enough coal to give it torches now, I think. Charcoal. I think I can, with decent conscience at least, spend a stack of torches. Yeah. There's 100% turtle hierarchy. And I gotta say, Jupiter is on the bottom. He's relegated to the shitty standing out in the rain work. Zeus at least gets to like use his strong arms and contribute to society. And Odin just faffs about. Okay, so tunnel mine, let's say 300 blocks. So yeah, that should take care of itself for a good old while, I think. And now that we have that script, right, as soon as we want, we can just add more turtles in if we want to like ramp up the mining. For now, I actually think I have about enough. I don't think I really need much more. I should go light up the tunnel though. And now that we added in that whole move back to where you started thing, we could super easily just add in another part where it's like, how many of these shafts do you want to mine? And then when you're back here, just move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps over and do the same thing again for infinity and beyond. So what I'm actually looking for right now is lapis. Lapis is one of the rarer resources, and it's used to improve our pickaxes and swords and stuff to make it so that we get looting on them, which means more stuff drop. And diamonds is always awesome. We like diamonds. Let's see. Does he remember how to place torches? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes he does. Oh my god, Zeus. What a god. Literally. So this is the basic branch mine. It's like space optimized so that if you run through here with 2 blocks over, you are very likely to get every single ore in the area on this level. There's always a chance that there's ores hiding on these layers, or this layer right here between, because you can't see those. But usually the veins go down enough so that you can see them. But since they are ugly and hard to run through, I personally prefer just making bigger holes. As long as I don't have to mine them myself, because that's a hassle. And hopefully the mic isn't picking up the washing machine that's on like right outside my office door. If you hear like a buzzing in the background, let me know and I'll see if I can do something about that. It's in the centrifugal cycle right now, so it's being very loud. Okay, let's go back home. We've looked at Zeus enough. Let's see. Is there anything on our to-do list that we have either done or want to do? So, make client show list of turtle and make them selectable. We haven't done that, but we have added the dig command, and it was F, J, D. No, don't delete. Oh, I have no idea. T? Okay, T for strike through. Okay, make client show list of turtles and then make them selectable. We can do that because now we have 3 turtles, right? So we want to be able to select between them. And step 1. What is step 1? Step 1 is to add. I think we want to add a select list to the HTML with the options. And I'm so used to working with like Node.js or not Node.js, jQuery or like stuff like that. So I don't even know how to do things. JavaScript create select options, and we can quit this stuff for now at least, and we can look at the web interface, index.html. So what we can do is we can just add a select list, I think. Select. And it has an ID of selectable. Why do I keep adding an R? Selectable turtles. There we go. And then in here we don't put anything because we want to do that programmatically. So in our main.js, let's just add all turtles to select. To drop down. Let's say drop down. There we go. And then we can send in turtles. And then we can. So the L gets the list of turtles. And then if. What is the value that we get back actually? Is it WebSocket is in a closing or already closed state? Oh right, I cd WebSocket server and then npm start, I think, yeah, okay. So we started the web server and okay, there's no connected turtles. We just get an array back. And I don't think I want that. I think I want it to send me a like header information here. Let's see. Send list. Let's send. Where is it? I'm already lost in my own code. List. Here we go. Message type.list. There we go. So we send it the list type followed by the stringified turtles as text. So this means that if we go back in here and we say on a message, we say const split message equals event.data.split, and we actually let's start working on making things better at least. Const delimiter equals, there we go. So we have a delimiter, and that delimiter should be used here, and we want a function to build. Message, and it takes a message type followed by content, maybe? Let's see, what do we want to send? Okay, content. I think we want content as an array. And I'm not using TypeScript, so I can't tell it that it's an array. Oh, right, and it's not a class. So we need to add function prefixes. Content. And I think we need to add the delimiter to the root so that we can reuse those. And then so we need to find out how to combine, yeah, it's concat, right? Array prototype concat and a delimiter. Does it have a delimiter? No, okay, it's not combine. Concat delimiter. Join is what I want. Yeah, okay, sorry. So we want to build a message, and we want the message to be let message equals message type plus, we can do const here actually, I think. Content.join. And we want delimiter. And we want plus delimiter. There we go. So I want a delimiter, I want content join, and I want delimiter. And then we can skip that and we can just return this, I think. And then I can send, instead of doing this, we want to send build message command, and we want test turtle name, and then we want turtle dot forward. And then we want, I think we want to do this actually. This is this. So to make this easier on ourselves, we just say this. There we go. And then we just say this. Like so. Alright, and then we want that. So you have the correct amount. List. Okay, so now we're using the delimiter on everything except for this part. This part needs a delimiter as well. And we want to terminate, not anything else. And we can remove these buttons because they do nothing. Command, terminate, and then list. Yeah, okay. So we built a message using this stuff. And so that means we need to use the same delimiter in index.js. Delimiter, and I should probably switch it to caps here as well. F2 delimiter. There we go. So whenever we split, we want to split it on the delimiter. And we want to send it with the new delimiter. And then, do we have any more commas anywhere? We do not. No more commas. Good. So, right, we want to edit the WebSocket. And we want to do it on this guy. So, instead of sending it like this, we want to send it like that instead. And we can do the same thing here. Local delimiter equals 3 pipes, and then instead of doing this, we make it more readable, and we just say delimiter followed by this stuff. Easy peasy. No questions. Turtles. Stringified. There we go. Sending the list of turtles, and then we can just restart everything. Boom. npm start, and then we can start this guy up. Socket server. There we go. Okay, and it sent the correct delimiter and everything. Magic. And then we reload this, and it sent the correct. And if we press L, oh my god, look. We got this stuff. So if we go back to main then, and then we see split message. Here we go, delimiter. Console log split message. Split message. And then we do that. So now we get the correct list here. Perfect. Which means that we can check if split message 0 is list. So if we got the list result back, then we want the const list to be equal to json.parse. Now we want to turn the stringed data back into a JSON object. Split message one. There we go. And then we can do it like that. So if we press L again, we get the list with just Odin back. And you can't see that, but I can show it in here. There we go. So when I press L, I send to the server that I want to request a list back. The server responds with our little packet containing what type of message it is and the value. And since it's a list, we take this value and we decode it as JSON, which means we get an actual array of values. So if we have more than one turtle up and running, it should show up in this list as like a comma separated value, so I can just access them super easily. And then we send this into the add all turtles to drop down. We can hide this again. And we send in list. And this should be list of turtles to be extra verbose and clear. There we go. There. So this is the turtles that we received. And we can skip that part because we know it works. So now we want to add them all into a drop-down list. So we want to first do document.getElement by ID, and the name of the ID was selectable turtles. Const turtles dropdown, and then we do the programming trick. We steal someone else's stuff. And then we say turtle dropdown dot append child option, and then that should be done. Let's see if it works. We go back to this one and we reload. And then we press L. It doesn't work. List of turtles. Oh, that's because that's not what they're called. They're called turtles, and the array is called turtles, and the array is still called turtles. There we go. Okay, reload. Fetch the list. Would you look at that? Oh, you can't see, but it says Odin in here, and when I open it up, it's just a list of Odin. Cool. So let's try this. If we make another turtle, I think we can afford it. We have plenty of gold and plenty of glass, and then oh. I need a chest. Keep forgetting the chest. So we have Odin here, and we do this, and we set label set Hera. They're connected, right? Edit test Control S. Test. Can I do that? Oh wait, control exit. rm test .lua. There we go. Okay, so we should have a number 3, which is empty, and then we just copy this and we paste it here. And then we do this just so that we have everything. Socket server. I haven't found a good way to like mirror the content from here to all the turtles. So to be able to add like pre-existing code, newly created turtles, I have to edit the jar file for the mod and add it into the like default scripts. But I can probably make like a startup script that I can just move in and it'll download all the other scripts. But then I need these on pastebin or something. But yeah, so we have this, we have the socket server. And if we then do socket server, oh, and it needs the environment script, of course. Copy that into here, paste. That should never change. That is the wrong environment file. There we go. Socket server. So, this should mean that if we look at this one, we should have had a new connection here that says Hera, and we do. So if we go back to the browser and then we press L again, we should now get a list with Odin and Hera, and we do. And we have to clear this list. So right now, this list over here, which you can see, says Odin, Odin, Hera. So we have to clear it first. And how do we clear it? Remove all children JavaScript. Should be super easy, right? Inner HTML equals 0. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So before we do this, we just say, oh, I can do this, and my node should be the turtle dropdown. And in where I come from, we use double quotes, not single quotes, because they look better, in my opinion, and are easier to type. So if I do that, and then I reload this, and then I press L, I get Odin and Hera. And if I press L again, I should still have Odin and Hera. Yeah, cool. So now I have a list of things. Now I just need to be able to select them in some way. And then we can go down here and we can say, instead of having test turtle name, which we get from somewhere, here we go. Instead of having this, F2, we just say selected turtle, and we default to Zeus. Not sure why we had Zeus. Oh right, I used Zeus to mine some obsidian manually before, because it was in a pool of lava and I didn't want to go near it. So we set Odin as our default because he's the All-Father. And I'm just gonna check something. Okay, there we go. Let's just clear out some code comments. So we want to see here. we want to add an event listener, and we want that event listener to be on change, I think. Is it on change or is it on update? Select. Let's go for select and see if that happens, if that does anything. And then event is what we get back. And then select updated, and then we print the event. So let's see if this does anything. Content join is not a function. Either way, we press L, turtles received, and then we do this. Does this do anything? It does not. Okay, let's go back to the code and see if we can find something else. Change. Does that do anything? Okay, that works. You made a bagel? Are they done? Awesome. I'll be out then to try them soon. Love you. Okay, so that was all that was needed. It works now. And we can show the browser. So here you can see the event that we got. And what I want is, I think I want the target. Because I want to get the value. And I think I can get the value from the target. Yeah. So if I do event.target.name, is that what I want? Oh, is it target.selected value? Get selected option JavaScript. Options selected index. Is that really what I want? Okay, if we do either target.selected index, does that give me anything? And I want to do this. Whenever we start it up, I want it to immediately ask for the list of connected things. So on message, on close, on error. Yeah. So this is what I want to do whenever we load the page. Failed to send. Is that on open? There we go, sorry. And then there we go. So now we populate this list and I do this, selected updated to 1 to 0. Okay, good. So then this works. Then we just copy paste this. Let's see, on update. Go. So let's just see. E should be event.target options text, and E should be event.target. Target. Oh, you're not seeing this code, but it doesn't matter. Let's go like this. So if I re-roll this There we go. Hera, Odin. Nice. So if I take this value and I say selected turtle equals this, and then we gotta figure out why it's complaining about not being able to content join is not a function, build message. And of course it's not, because turtle dot. Okay. Okay, nice. I want this. Oh, sorry, I want this to be in an array. There we go. That should work, right? So if I do this. Cool. So if we look at this, we have Odin and we have Hera. So right now Odin should be selected and I can move him. And if we select Hera, assignment to constant variable is not allowed. Of course it's not, because select turtle should be let, not const. And this isn't necessary. There we go. So in here we see Odin and we see Hera, and I reload this web interface. So right now I'm controlling Odin, and if I select Hera in the dropdown, she can't do anything, but she got the commands because she doesn't have any coal. And then we can terminate Hera. Content join is not a function. Terminate. There we go. This should be one of these. And this should be reload. We should select Hera and we should click terminate. So Hera has been terminated. And then we say refuel all. There we go. And then we say socket server start. Okay, try this again. Can we move Hera? We can move Hera. Nice. And if we switch to Odin, we can move Odin. Cool. So we can now select which turtle we want to move, and we can move them all independently. Awesome. That means we can take another thing off the to-do list. So what I want to do now, I think, is to list the inventory. But to do that, I want to add the JSON library, I think. But to do that, I'm gonna need to look into how to do that, I think. And then I want to be able to show the inventory. Oh no, this is bad. This is really, really bad. Okay, big yikes. Those should not be empty, or should not be full. That means I can't fit anything. Wood. So let's do that. Oh, at least it's still mining. That's good. Oh, crap, that's not what I wanted. There we go. What a disaster. Slate. This is permafrost. Cobble. Okay. I had something at least. Basalt, slate. Nice. So, I'm gonna leave it here for now, and I'm gonna take a food break, and I might be back later, or I might not be, not sure. Hope this has been at least slightly educational, if not entertaining. Take care. Bye.